Test variations of your image stack or test it against competitors with our image stack poll. To get started, go to Poll Types and select Create Poll for the image stack poll. First, name your poll. Then write or generate a shopping situation with our AI to get contextual and meaningful feedback. Next, add the image stacks you want to test. You can add image stacks by providing the ASIN or manually uploading the images. Arrange the images in your preferred order. Identify your target audience. Use our premium target audience for detailed segmentation or the basic audience for broader targeting. Set the number of respondents. We recommend at least 90 for clear insights. Fewer provides a snapshot, while more responses give clarity. Hit the poll price button, choose Pay with Credit Card or Pay with Wallet, and click Checkout to launch your poll. We're now gathering responses from real consumers. Results will be ready in just a few hours with the basic audience and might take a day with the premium audience. Check out the poll results. The first section shows poll details. Quickly see the overall best and worst image stacks in best-worst stack results. Check the performance of each image in best-worst image for each image stack. Deep dive into detailed feedback in Poll Insights. Use the filtering options to find what you're looking for quickly. Situation Insights reveal what features respondents found important before seeing any image stacks. The AI Summary tab gives you a quick overview of the positive and negative aspects of each image stack and provides actionable recommendations to improve your image stack. Ready to gain valuable consumer insights on your image stack? Launch the image stack poll today.